have a win after this. Let's hope. So let's see. Okay, you win. I don't care the gap. Just talk about the strategy first. You win, right? Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the way you win the market. This is the way you win the first negative candle. All right. So the tip is like this. When you see the downtrend, you see the uptrend, the impulsive candle rejection, and it is lower than the retracement. So impulsive is trusted, and you may have a reversal color after the impulsive, after the negative. That is the first. Now look at this. Okay, so we're uptrend. Okay, and what is it? Retracement. What is it? Impulsive. Impulsive. You may have a red one. Let's see if you have a red. Less bet, but small money, because this one should have rejection on the top, not on the bottom, bro. Do you understand what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, if you follow the trend, uptrend, retracement, first negative. This one you can call negative because it's close, lower than the other. So let's see if we have a red, but enter small money only, very small.
What?
Okay. Yeah, because
Why
it's not, it doesn't touch the whole range of basic concept of the negative candle.
Means this area.
No, focus on here only. Chờ tí nào. Not touching the zone, bro. Understand the basic concept? So you have a reason to go down. And when you have a reason to go down, to prove that this is this is negative, you can wait for another negative as well. So yes, you have good impulsive. Now you can bet 10 times of the money here. If you win here $10, you can bet $100 after this, because this is second negative.
Actually,
let's hope.
It's a second negative. That's why. Yeah?
Yeah, second negative. So let's hope if we have second negative with 100, with 10 times money of the previous. Let's hope. Right. Wow, amazing. 10 times money betting. Okay, that's kind of sure shot, bro. If you win the first one, you have the good confidence, because this is proof. It is proof that it is impulsive. It is negative already. And when you are proof, when you are proof, you are good. You are good to go on the second. Yeah. So you see, do you see the power of the sure shot strategy? When you have good confirmation, you're good to go. Okay.
Yeah, yes, bro.
So that's the end of the today, and you can practice negative and double negative confirmation for me, and just
double
send some
negative.
screenshot. Double negative is very good one.
Double.
Yeah, try that.
Yes,
but don't miss the first chance. So try to find out the way. Practice yourself. Try to find out the way to win the first negative, and try to find out to double or 10 times money in the second negative. Okay. So this one, like you already win $100 already. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Okay, so be it and give me some screenshot for your practice. Goodbye.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you.
Okay, all right, cheers. Goodbye. Yes, cheers.
Thanks.
Bros, can you go back to the public chat, comment, and give some beautiful comment for the class, for the strategy?
Sure,
please.
yeah.
If you think this is powerful, this is shockingly crazy and unbelievable, you can just give some comment, please.
Yeah, sure, bro.
Yeah. Thank you a lot. Okay, goodbye.
Thank you, bro.
Goodbye.
All right, cheers.